So hi guys, my name is Hassan Nasir and I'm a student master student studying distributed systems engineering in Dresden, Germany. And recently, basically my degree is all about studying microservices and architectures and systems engineering and parallel computing and all these cool things, and which have always been in talks forever and will stay in talks for a long time, we hope. And mainly recently I came across the great thing in the world these days, the buzzword that's called Docker, which is based on a sort of tweaking on the tweaky kind of virtualization on the operating system. So here I'm in this tutorial, I want to talk about Docker in a simpler way because I'm a student, so I'm not a high-tech guy. So I will try to explain things in a simple world in which you guys can understand and relate to. And I was looking online and it was not that easy for me to understand what content was given. It was kind of difficult for me in the start, but then I went through it, I did some practice on it, and then it made me a kind of understanding of how it should go on. So in this tutorial, what we're going to do, we're going to understand Docker, and then we're going to look into Docker architecture and what is the difference between a virtual machine and a Docker container. And then we are going to go with a hands-on experience while building a microservices architecture-based containerized application whose front end will be in React.js, or maybe we can use Nginx with another simple JavaScript, and the backend will be in Node.js for sure, with Express framework on the API. And lastly, I'm going to cover the data layer, which is I'm going to use a graph database on their Neo4j, and we are going to develop this application in a microservices-based architecture in a Docker container. So let's get to it. So